Wait, is this? You know we can take off the sound. Is there anything under here? It was made in California. Not anywhere. Oh, hang on.
Finding out how to
I think it's like. Here, let me get the iPad case. This is where the iPad case goes. Whatever, you can take off the sound. I'll show you how to do that.
This feels foolish.